Tucker, and since we've launched the Simpler Stocks trend trading system, I thought I'd do videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays for those of you that are trend traders, and also you want to do in-the-day trading so you don't have to sit in front of your computer all day long. So let's just go look at a couple potential trades here. First one we're going to look at is Facebook. And we have a breakout trade. And on our breakout trades, we are looking for price to break out above resistance if we're going long, or to break down below support if we're going short. So we have an entry signal here, and it's going to be right where that arrow is, a few cents above that high. And then we're using what we call a bar before stop, and that's nothing more than a few cents below today's low, because this is the day before it could trigger. So put an arrow there, show you where our stop is. And our target is 10% above our entry. So if you have TradeStation, we have our auto software. So it's going to tell you your entry price. So we want to enter in the trade at 120.99, and we set a max slippage for our trades because we're setting it up when the markets close. So if the market gaps or the particular symbol gaps, then you're protected and you don't have to give up a huge percentage of your profit. And if you miss the trade, that's okay. We'll just go get into another trade. And so our stop is at 116.82, and we have a target of 133.09. This gives you a risk-reward ratio of 2.9, and on this trade, we are going to risk 1.5% of our account value. And the default setting is $10,000 for your account value, and so you would set this up for 36 shares in a $10,000 account. This blue line is an indicator to show you where the entry price is. Red line is to show you where the stop is, and the green line up at the top is your 10% target. This one is McDonald's, and it also has a what we call a breakout trade, and that's breaking out above the resistance level. So our entry is going to be a few cents above this high on April the 20th. And in this case, we have some support points, so we're going to be using this low as our stop. A few cents below this low on March the 24th. And on this trade, our entry is going to be 130 even, and max slippage is 132.60. Stop is going to be 122.46. We have a target of 143. This one has a risk-reward ratio of 1.72, and we're going to risk 1% of our account value on this trade. $10,000 account, you could set that up for 13 shares. Once again, blue line is the entry price. Red line is the stop. This is a great tool here. Shows you where your stop aligns up with support. And then once again, green line is our target. Another potential trade is SLV. You can see it's had a nice strong trend here the last month or so. And once again, this is a breakout trade. Our entry price is a few cents above this high on April the 29th. And because it's been in such a strong move here, we're using the bar before for our stop again. So a few cents below this low, which is the last bar in the chart, May the 3rd. And on this trade, we're going to set the entry price at 17.14. Max slippage is 17.48. We have a stop at 16.43. Target is 18.85. This is going to give us a 2.41 risk reward ratio, and we can risk 1.25% on this trade. If you have a $10,000 account, you can set that up for 176 shares. Just to show you a potential short trade, let's go look at Google L. This is also a breakout trade. However, this time we're looking to go short. So our entry is going to be a few cents below this low on April the 28th. And we're going to go a few bars back because the last bar, the risk reward ratio is just way too high. We have a maximum of a 6-to-1 risk reward ratio on our trades. So the stop right now is a few cents above this high on April the 28th. Entry is 702.90 with a max slippage of 688.84. We have a stop of 729.56. Target of 632.61. Risk reward ratio of 2.64. And we can risk 1.5% on this trade. So once again, blue line's your entry, red line's your stop, green line's your target. So you can see once we break price down and have an entry, there's not a lot of support holding price up till we get to our target. Have a great day, and we'll see you Thursday.